Professor Walton, how do I answer the discussion board questions in week 2 assignment? So glad you asked. We're going to start here from the home screen and I'm going to walk you through step by step. Okay, as soon as we get to our home screen, of course, we know we go to the modules. This is where we're going to find our assignment. Okay, as soon as we get down there, we'll see week 2 assignments. Click on this guy. As soon as we get there, we'll see 3 assignments. The first assignment is a 75-word response to Sean Blanda's The Other Side Is Not Dumb. This link, you can click on this guy, or also it can be found in the reading list directly below this module. Secondly, we're going to go to the discussion board questions. If you read here, I kind of give you a little bit of a brief instruction. What you're supposed to do here is answer my discussion board question with the 150-word response for a group of questions. In addition to this, you must apply to 2 other students in the course with a 75-word response, okay? So now we're going to go to the discussion board, okay? As soon as we get there, we'll see the discussion board. Some of you guys have already are familiar with discussion board. However, I will definitely say that for this class, what you'll have to be doing is responding to my questions here, okay? Only one response to me, 2 responses, 1 response to another student, two students, excuse me. Let's go ahead and read this, okay? So it says students are required to respond to the following questions with a 150-word response, minimum. Your answer to my questions can be more than 150 words. So that means that 150 words is the minimum, but you can write more, okay? Understand that my discussion questions are usually a group of questions designed to make students write more. You are required to respond to the entire group of questions in the 150-word response for the whole thing, not 150 words per question. Okay? Let's scroll right down. So as you'll see up here, there's 2 due dates for the discussion questions. There's the Wednesday the 25th and Friday the 27th. Wednesday the 25th, your responses to me, which is this question down here, your responses to me are due by this time, by this day. All right? For every person that's late on this time, you will get points deducted. Okay? But then your replies to other students are due by this day. Now, the reason I do this is because sometimes students like to wait to the very last minute to do their discussion board questions, which gives other folks not enough time to respond to them. Yeah, so we don't want to make this a whole big old thing. So your answers to me are due by the 25th, your responses to other students by the 27th, okay? Anyway, moving right along, and I kind of explained that here. All right, moving right along. So this is the prompt. For whatever reason, it's doing stupid things in Canvas, so I'm going to read this to you in the instructor view so you guys can see it kind of how it's supposed to look, okay? So here we have the question. This is my question / prompts, and you do have to answer all these questions. Which article from reading list for major assignment number 1, you can click on that guy if you need to see it again. Which 2 articles are you going to choose? What intrigues you about these 2 articles? Create a 50-word summary of each article. Do you agree or disagree with the articles that you chose? Why? Finally, depending on the answer that you chose in this question, copy paste at least 1 sentence from the article that you disagreed with or agreed with. Now, please understand that you have 2 articles, so I expect 2 quotes, okay? So, yeah, there's that. So that's the question, and that's what you're supposed to be doing for this assignment. I wish you all well, and I will see what you guys submit for this week. Have a good one.